think I just forgot to turn my car off before I got out of the car. Pretty sure I wouldn't have totally forgotten, but I did. Oh my, wow, it is like insanely cold this morning, but that sunrise, let me see if I can, oh, I only really came here to take a sunrise time lapse and to maybe take some photos, but I don't even know if I'm gonna make it. So I'm up in Newburyport, Massachusetts. I got up at 4:45 so that I could leave the house in enough time to get here for the sunrise, to take a few pictures. It's absolutely beautiful, but it's also absolutely freezing. It's almost single digits. I think it's 12 when I left the house. I am so cold right now, and I've only been out here for like 15 or 20 minutes. Wow! This is not what the video is going to be about. Just thought that I would bring it in this way. Enjoy this time lapse of the sunrise, and we'll see you soon. That's it. Ooh, that's a little bit better. Taking a shower and gotten dressed, and I'm actually warm. It's like 25 and the sun is out. So, summer. So I'm gonna try to go edit a video, and then we're gonna find somewhere to go for lunch. I think Amanda wants to film a video at the Disney store, and that's really hard to do with the kids. So maybe I'll take her there and let her do that, and then we'll get lunch. All right, that's it. Ah, I'm spilling my coffee. When I came outside, Amanda was playing Animal Crossing. I wonder if she's still playing. It's been a little while. Yep, she's still playing Animal Crossing.
Reached everybody, it's springtime.
How's that laundry coming? Lofty goals, eh?
I'm pretending it doesn't exist.
Nice. Amanda stopped playing video games and folded the laundry, which is great. Miles was upstairs cleaning his room, which is awesome. And I think we're gonna go to a hibachi place, which is neat because we can walk. And then on the way home, we can stop at a place and play Keno, which is super fun to play Keno and get drinks. I'm still trying to quit drinking. I made it 2 months a little while ago, which was fantastic. Not a drop of alcohol. I'd like to get there again. Today's not gonna be the day. We'll try again tomorrow. I'll miss you, old man. We'll see you in a little bit. Goodbye, darling. Have a nice day.
Give me a hug?
Oh. Yeah, okay. You ready to go?
Yes.
Let's go. Bye, guys. Have fun.
Have a good time. Take your time. Yeah.
Ooh. I can't decide if it's a walking day or a driving day, but we're gonna try to walk. It's kind of chilly. Actually, it's kind of nice out.
Yeah, it's not bad.
We should walk, right?
Yes. Yep.
Okay.
The sun is shining. Let's go.
All right. Ooh, this place is really nice. I've never been in here before, but the bar looks really cool. Neat. They're getting our table ready.
I'm excited. And hungry.
Time to go. Thanks very much. Thanks. So when we came in, they tried to take our temperature with one of those temperature things, and because we walked, it was so cold outside, they couldn't take our temperature. That was focused right over there instead of on me. Now it's focused on me. I hate this camera sometimes. The old drink menu. What do you think?
I want like a Mai Tai.
Ooh, a Mai Tai sounds great. For $8? That's a pretty good deal for a Mai Tai.
Yeah.
Mai Tais.
Hey, hello.
Good, how are you?
Good. Yes, sir. Can you do that?
Yeah, easy. No problem.
You wanna try?
No.
Oh, wow, it's easy.
All right, I lied. It's probably hard.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, man, look here.
Oh, yes. Love it.
Don't try home, huh? Only here.
I'll
Don't
try.
buy house.
I'm gonna try it when I get home.
Oh, you try home?
Yep.
If you buy a house, you can live here.
Sake, 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 sake.
Medium rare.
Thank you. Yes. Oh, you missed it. One more time. Oh, yay. Whoa. That's amazing. Please just go ahead and move that right there. Sake, sake, sake. Dude, your food looks amazing. Scallop,
So good.
filet mignon, amazing. Mai Tai, gone. I'm gonna drink some of yours. Bye, Amanda. That's what happens when you go to the bathroom.
Oh, yeah.
They did that to us lots of times. I'm feeling it. I'm loving it. I'm gonna eat my food. We'll see you when we leave. You're doing really good on your food.
I never finish my food ever, so this is very surprising that I'm like almost done, but it was so good. I could not finish it.
Oh my
The
goodness.
scallop, so good. Thank you.
Wow, that was good.
That
The sake was my favorite thing.
Yes, I can't believe you did that. It was sake squirts?
Yeah,
Sake?
it was so good.
Those were so fun. And I'm
So
glad we
much
walked here.
sake. I'm glad we walked here too. Now let's go play some Keno.
Yeah.
Good luck, Amanda.
Good luck to you too, sir.
Hope you win. Quick update. We just played our first round and we won enough to play again.
Just enough to keep us coming back for more.
Wow. Your words, Amanda.